Flash Instincts. Today we're going to give an update on BitDigital, ticker BTBT. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. So we are not a financial advisors, but we give our own plays, what we're looking at, and I hope it helps you. So right now, today on May 5th, 2021, there is a press release by BitDigital. One of the biggest concerns for BitDigital, a lot of people are afraid to invest in this company due to the fact of there's a negative narrative around it. You see, I'm going to tell you something that a lot of people will not tell you, so pay attention. Hedge funds, people who have the most money in the world, love to manipulate a stock company. Even if they have positive revenues, they love manipulating it in order to short the stock, to bring it down. When a hedge fund like Citadel takes a big position, a short position, meaning they make money as the stock value goes down, they have paid news articles to bring that stock down. This is primarily exemplified by OCGN. You can look at recently, there was extreme amount of negative content regarding OCGN. It actually plummeted from $18 all the way to $5. Even though it is highly effective against COVID-19 and it is very, very effective against the COVID-19 variants. Now, this is just one example. Similar to the topic we're talking about is riots, RIOT. Riot is also getting shorted. These hedge funds, they dominate on fear. They make money as people sell off, get scared, belittled, rethink their own initial investment, and leave the position. As soon as hedge funds see that, they not only profit going down, they will rebuy the stock at peak low. That means they can double their profits. These people know what they're doing. So it is up to you as an investor to believe in the first reason why would you buy a stock? Why would you invest in the first place? Now, if you believe a company to go up, that means you buy on the dips, okay? This means that, hey, even though the price currently went down, we don't have power to control it going down, right? I still believe it should be valued much higher, and therefore I will add on to the dips. That will maximize your profits. Now, BitDigital, the biggest concern that is a Chinese company, and because it's a Chinese company, for some reason, Americans should not invest in it. That's the whole narrative. Now, recently they came out with a news that, hey, BitDigital, which is headquartered in New York, they changed the headquarters location to New York, which is similar to Riot. It is a wholly owned subsidiary of Digital Currency Group. Now, Digital Currency Group, I'm going to show you their website. You'll notice that they are partners, or they work with Genesis, Grayscale, CoinDesk, Foundry, Luno. So Grayscale, GBTC, I don't know if you know about this, but Cathie Wood has invested huge amount of shares in GBTC, and it has currently steadily gone up as Bitcoin has gone up. So what does that mean? This means that, hey, BTBT, a supposedly Chinese company, is moving towards the Western side, okay? And they're trying to relocate as much as possible to adhere to all their shareholders. They want to stay away from the Chinese narrative, and they want to be more part of the more global demand for Bitcoin. They are increasing their mining capacities and moving most of their mining computers, hardwares, to New York and Canada. Now, this connection between Grayscale, Digital Currency Group, and BTBT is big. Another connection that we have is, hey, they announced in this article that just came out, that it jointly announced with DCG that BitDigital is now mining Bitcoin on Foundry USA pool with approximately 5,679 mining machines, generating up to 280 PH per second of computing power. Now, this means that BitDigital is officially joining a huge group in the United States that is known for mining capacities, for mining enhancements, for mining data, for using the coins in more variety of ways. So BTBT is looking toward the future already, guys. Now, this stock had a peak of around $32, $33. Today, it is at $12. We have a falling wedge in this situation. We already mentioned that. Any moment, as soon as Bitcoin starts popping off yet again, which we all know will happen, it's inevitable. Bitcoin is being invested incredibly by huge investors worldwide. BTBT, Riot Gaming, and other blockchain mining companies will all explode. Now, again, going back to the main theme, everyone keeps talking about it's a Chinese company. There's a whole narrative around Chinese companies. Let me tell you something. If you wish to be swayed, if you wish to be manipulated so easily, then the stock market is not for you. If you easily believe in what others are telling you, your initial investment was a complete waste. Now, being a Chinese company, it really doesn't matter about actual production and actual impact. Eventually, these Chinese companies that are able to integrate into the Western side, they're actually renovating and changing into a whole new game. You see, NIO is a Chinese company, right? And it's competing against Tesla. But unfortunately, it has not moved over or converted its factories into the Western side, right? That's the biggest hurdle it has, setting it up. Now, BTBT, it's already started that. They already have their headquarters located in New York. So it's a whole step above if you think deeply. Now, that narrative, don't let it stop you from investing. All the YouTubers talking about, oh, it's a scam, it's a fraud. No, you got frauded. You got scammed. Your brain got mentally scammed. You don't know what you're investing in. The hedge funds stole your money, straight up. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more insane content, for more insane, deadly content.